Introducing Forever's DX4 Body Balancing System, a 4-day program that will reset your physical, mental and spiritual health. Begin each morning with Forever Firm Plus to support a healthy metabolism with vitamins B and C and naturally derived caffeine. Forever Duo Pure aids in healthy liver function, protects cells from oxidative stress and cleanses your system with pomegranate and choline. Jumpstart your hydration with Forever Multi-Fizz by adding a bubbly watermelon flavour boost to water with vitamins B, C and E. Forever Lemon Blast supports your digestive tract and contributes to electrolyte balance with soluble fibre, turmeric powder, magnesium and botanical ingredients. Satiate hunger with Forever Sensatiable, a chewable tablet that keeps you feeling full with oats and yeast hydrolysate. Packing 17 grams of protein per serving, Forever Plant Protein supports satiety, muscle mass and healthy bones with a vegan formula of pea protein isolate and pumpkin protein that's dairy-free and soy-free. DX4 also includes Forever Aloe Vera Gel to support nutrient absorption and help maintain natural energy levels. Decide your wellness path, define intentional living, discover your potential, dedicate your mind and body. Start a new path to wellness with Forever's DX4 Body Balancing System.